in the money, unveiling its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, to be in the money. Whether you've stumbled upon it in a novel, heard it in a song, or come across it in a movie, understanding this expression will add a valuable piece to your English idiom puzzle. Let's get started. The phrase, to be in the money, is an idiom that means to have a lot of money, to be wealthy, or to suddenly find oneself with a lot of money, often through winning or earning more than expected. It suggests a state of financial comfort or success. The expression can convey both literal and figurative richness, making it a versatile tool in English communication. While the exact origins of "to be in the money" might be a bit murky, it's widely believed to have roots in the gambling and horse racing communities. In these contexts, it referred to a bettor who won a bet or a horse that finished in a position that would earn a payout. Over time, the phrase transcended these origins to become part of everyday language, symbolizing success or financial gain in broader terms. To truly grasp any idiom, seeing it in action is key. Here are some examples of how "to be in the money" can be used in sentences. After the lottery win, they were suddenly in the money, planning vacations and buying new cars. If this business deal goes through, we'll be in the money. She invested in stocks early on and now she's really in the money. These examples show the phrase being used to describe financial success or a sudden windfall, illustrating its flexibility across different contexts. When learning idioms, it's easy to misuse them without realizing. Here are a couple of tips to ensure you're using "to be in the money" correctly. Don't use it to describe small amounts of money. The phrase implies significant wealth or earnings, not just having some cash on hand. Avoid using it in very formal or serious contexts. As an idiom, it's best suited for informal or conversational settings. Congratulations! You're now more familiar with the phrase, "to be in the money," and how to use it in your English conversations. Idioms like these are what make learning English so enjoyable and rewarding. They add color and depth to our communications, allowing us to express ideas in creative and nuanced ways. We hope this video has been enlightening and fun for you. Until next time, keep practicing and exploring the richness of the English language. Happy learning!